Hi guys, just a quick video just showing one of my new books that I made, and there's a tutorial up on the Etsy page. So to start off, this book is 8.5 inches long by 5.5 inches wide, and it's about 2.5, I believe it was 2.5 inches wide, deep, whatever you want to say that. And I made it originally to do the tutorial, which like I said is up on the Etsy page, which I will link below. These books each come with 12, well, it's 6 pages inside, but each side equals 12 plus your front and back cover to decorate. And all of these are reinforced with Tyvek underneath the binding right there. And there's pretty good amount of space in between each page, so you can do your embellishments and do whatever decorating that you need to do. It's also made with some pretty thick cardstock and cover chipboard for the covers. So it also comes with 7 top pockets with inserts. That's the insert. These are the pockets. All 7 of them are cut and ready to go. They just have to be adhered to the pages once you've put down, your pattern paper underneath. There's also 6 side pockets, again with the inserts, and they just are adhered to the pages after you have put down your base paper. In the tutorial, it teaches all how to make this entire book, all the pockets, all the inserts, how to do the binding, everything that you need to know to make it. But in the process of making the tutorial, I had extras. So I made 4 of these are completed books. This Little School Days book was the inspiration for this one. And size-wise, it's a little bit, the new one is a little bit smaller, but that's the better version. So this is the original version, which needed a lot of tweaking to make it perfect. And this one is a school book that I was making for, originally I didn't know what I was going to make it for, but then I decided to make it for my kids. So each one of the top pockets that's in the new and improved one is kind of pretty much similar to this. So you'll have a space on top where you could put like a giant tag or whatever kind of little things that you want to put in there. And then you have the insert, which you can either attach or leave unattached, whichever you want. And then you just decorate either top and bottom. I used the Graphics 45 School Days paper pack and embellishments to do this book, and it was supposed to be a school book. So the first page is kindergarten, second page is first, so on and so on, all the way up till graduation. I haven't finished it yet because as I was going through it, I decided that I really didn't like it this way. I would rather have the binding that I did in the new book. So I'm probably going to remake this using my own tutorial. And here's what an unfinished side folding pocket would be. So this is, like I said, not finished, and I used a different fastener for the middle. That's a Tim Holtz ring binder, so which you can still use on the new one if you decide you would rather use that rather than the binding. But I didn't particularly like this version. I feel like things get caught on those ring binders, and the other binding is much smoother, easier to turn the pages, and I just like it better. So this book is probably going to get remade into the other book. So like I said, I made 4 of them because I had enough supplies to make 4 of them, and they are up on the Etsy page. You'll see this one also listed below. And if anybody has like a real burning desire for one of these and they're gone, there aren't, like I said, there's only 4 of them, just send me a note. And I will see if there's enough people that need them, maybe to do some in craft, because I do need to make another one for a December daily project, and so I may make a few more if people really need them. Anyway, just check out the link below, and I really do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully I will see you again soon with another tutorial. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.